it's a good idea to clean out dryer lint on a regular basis. I'm going to start by removing these two screws from the underside of the dryer cabinet. Now I'm going to remove this front cover. This will expose another panel that we'll need to remove and the technical sheet to your dryer.
Gives me a good chance to inspect how this looks and cleans. This also gives you a good way to fasten this dryer hose on too. I'm gonna open this guy up here so I can actually inspect it here too. Everything is currently powered down.
I had to get a shorter screwdriver.
As you can see, there is some lint. Let's clean this all out and make sure we get all this lint out. Reduce any fire hazards. So I went ahead and took this cover off here because this leads down into the blower. You can see it's got a fair amount of lint in here. How you take this off is there is a screw here and a screw over here that screws into it. You undo that and then you can just kind of wiggle this piece right out. I'll get vacuum with a little brush on here to suck all this crud out. This will help the dryer dry better. It'll help it not overheat. I've already pulled that much lint out of the underside and a little bit off the top here. That came out of this grate here. It's pretty much packed up. Definitely a fire safety issue if you don't do some maintenance, but I'll take care of some more vacuuming here.
So here is what the inside of the dryer looks like after I have vacuumed and pulled out every little piece of lint that I could find. It's not the best job, but it pulled out the bulk of it. As you can see, most of the lint that was there is no longer there, and I cleaned out the door. That's one place you might forget, but you still need to clean out. Here's a pile of lint that I pulled out by hand. Now we're just going to put the inner panel shield back in. Yes, I managed to drop the panel again. Now we'll put the outer panel back on.
Now we've got it all cleaned out. All the ductwork's also clean, and the dryer will be really functional as far as lint free.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.